NGO AROHA and HCL Foundation presents Video Tutorial in School Uniform Stitching. In this video, we will learn how to stitch cross-tunic frock for girls. This garment is widely worn by girl students as their school uniform all over the world. Cross-tunic can be classified into three parts: the upper part, the middle part, and the lower part. The upper part of the cross tunic has two parts, namely the front crossed parts and the back. The middle part consists of the waist belt and the belt loops. The lower part of garment is a skirt which has a buckle on one side and the pocket on the other side. We first take a look at the reference garment, identical to what we are going to stitch. Now, for the template, we measure each part of the cross tunic and mark its measurements on a brown paper and cut them in the shape. Similarly, cut down paper patterns for all the parts. Now, we start cutting the cloth for the garment. For the back, we place folded back template on the fold of the cloth and trace the outline. Thereafter, marking a stitching margin, we trace the outer outline on the cloth. Now, cut alongside the outer outline carefully. Similarly, cut all the parts of the garment, leaving along the stitching margins and slit cuts as shown in the chart. This is how they look like. The back, 4 identical parts for front, the belt loops, and 2 identical cutouts for the skirt. For the belt, place a canvas strip few centimeters shorter in length. Fix it on the belt strip by ironing over the canvas as shown in the visual. For the belt loops, mark parallel lines on the cloth. Fold along the lines and stitch along the edges. Now, for the stitching part, we start with stitching a cross belt alongside the neck of the back. Fold it outwards and inwards to give it a finishing stitch. Fold the sides of the back for finishing stitch. Now, for the front part, we have 4 identical cutouts, which we will use 2 on each sides. Sandwich the back portion between 2 cut pieces of the front part by matching the slit cuts and stitch the shoulder. Now, we stitch along outer margins of the cloth. Now, stuff the entire cloth inside the remaining half of the front and stitch alongside the borders. Repeat the process for the other half of the front. Now, stitch alongside all the borders of the front for finishing. Stitch the bottom of front part together by matching the slit cuts. The upper body of the garment is now ready. For the skirt, we have 2 identical rectangular cutouts with slit cuts alongside the upper edges for the belt. Now, stitch both the cutouts from one side, leaving a gap of few inches unstitched for the pocket opening, 1 inch beneath the upper edge. For the pockets, Stitch ends of a piece of cloth alongside the outer ends of the stitching margins around the pocket mouth. Thereafter, stitch along all the borders of the pocket for finishing. For buckle plate, stitch a few inch-long strips and stitch alongside open end of the cloth, just beneath the waist. Fold it inwards and stitch it with the skirt cloth. Now, for the pleats of the skirt, mark on the midpoint of the one side of the skirt. Make 3 small folds on one side of the mark alongside the slit cuts as shown in the visuals. Repeat the process for other half of the mark by folding in the opposite directions. This will create 1 center pleat and 3 side pleats on each side. Repeat same for the other half of the skirt. Now for the belt, invert the belt and stitch the top end of the belt with top of the skirt and unfold. Stitch the top ends of the belt loops with top end of the belt strip. Now, to combine the upper and lower parts together, we match center of back with the center of backward half of the skirt belt and stitch. Likewise, match the center of front with forward half of the skirt and stitch. For astar lining of the belt, invert the dress and stitch along the outer length of the belt and its following width. Now unfold the astar lining inwards and stitch along all borders of the belt. Fold the open ends of the loops inwards and stitch them onto the garment. Now, to stitch the skirt together, invert the dress, match the open ends of the skirt and stitch them together, leaving the buckle plate open. Fold the girth few inches inwards and stitch along the girth to give it a finishing stitch. Now for the buckle, stitch the buckle on one end of the belt and hook on the other end of the belt. Cross tunic frock is now ready. This frock is widely worn by girl students as school uniform. And now you should be able to make one yourself by following as shown in our tutorial. You can refer this chart for precise measurements across all sizes. For more information, you can reach out to us through any of these mediums. Tell us how you found this tutorial in our comment section. Like it if you found it useful and subscribe to our YouTube channel NGO AROHA to be notified about upcoming videos.